Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to delete and disable Google Chrome's 4GB local AI model, Gemini Nano. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Google Chrome now downloads a 4GB AI model, Gemini Nano, for local features like Help Me Write and scam detection. Crucial, you must disable the feature before deleting the files, or Chrome will simply re-download them. Step 1. Disable the features. All operating systems. Open Chrome. Go to Settings. And toggle on Device AI to off if it's there. Go to Chrome Flags. Search for Gemini Nano and Optimization Guide on device, and set them all to disabled. Relaunch Chrome. Windows, Permanent Registry Block. Press Windows key +R, type regedit, and hit Enter. Navigate to Create Google and Chrome folders if missing. Right-click Policies, New, Key, name it Google. Right-click Google, New, Key, name it Chrome. Inside the Chrome key, right-click, New, D-word, 32-bit, value, name it. And set its value to 1. Linux, policy file. Create the policy directory. Create a file named aipolicy.json. And paste this content. macOS, terminal, open terminal. Paste and run the following command. Step 2. Delete the 4GB file. Once the feature is disabled, go to the following directory for your OS to delete the data if it's there. Path, Windows, Linux, macOS. Action, locate the folder name. Delete the entire folder. This contains the weights.bin file. Empty your recycle bin or trash. Step 3. Verify the block. To ensure Chrome won't re-download the model in the background, type in the Chrome address bar. Click Reload Policies. Find if the status is OK, and the value is 1, the block is successful. Why did this happen? Google uses Gemini Nano to process AI tasks locally for better privacy and speed. However, these weights, the 4GB file, take up significant disk space. While Chrome may eventually auto-delete them if your drive is nearly full, these steps are the only way to manually reclaim the space and keep it gone. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.